Belvedere. How are you, Belvedere?
It's a nigga Fresco P.
Yeah.
Doing the Spadina thing. That's it.
Moses, DJ James ready, you know. Hold it down. About to give you some rehearsal for the Onyx show, you know. You better watch out. We're coming for y'all. We're coming for your heads.
It's Fresco on an everyday basis, like, ain't fucking around. There's no front in this Fresco every day. Nigga does this shit every day. That's it. He's out here. Don't worry about me. Nah, don't worry about me. Don't worry about me.
Let me see this. Who's this brother right here?
Been doing this for years. Real MCs in the game.
Give tongues.
Coming for your throne.
Yeah.
And they saying shit. We out here doing this shit for real every day on the bus, nigga. Subways, nigga.
Subways, motherfucker. Where be? Give tongues. That's what it is, man. How you doing, my brother? Real music. He's on his grind. Come on. Come on. Stay blessed. Yeah.
Your mind is a trip, you're still sleeping. Even if all of the people you knew, but how you've forgotten all of me.
Yeah.
I said, dreams of a dreamer.
Yes, sir. Cool enough.
I'm sorry, I really can't see. So won't you dream? I said, dream all your dreams, dream.
Yeah.
All your dreams for me.
Hey. Yes, sir. See that? Stay blessed. That's real talk, bro. I mean, we're trying to live out our dreams right now, Doc. In a game, bro. That's real right there. You know what I mean? Trust me. See, that's real, man. You know, some touching shit.